We will discuss the massive amount of XRP that is currently moving, which is moving in a positive direction because it is being moved from an exchange to a cold storage wallet. We will also examine the price of XRP because it is about to go on that bull run that everyone is talking about. Finally, we will investigate what the US government is doing with the insane amount of Bitcoin that has the potential to blow up the entire market. Without further ado, let's jump in. Into Bitcoin $667, it has been down for the last 24 hours by 4.37%. Ethereum, it closed at $33.38, down 11.44%. And USDC both close at their dollar pegs, while XRP continues to put up a strong fight, closing at 63 cents. If that happens, we'll reach 64 cents, offering us a higher high than the last push-up. Is 66 cents the key? Resistive area that we must penetrate. The markets appear promising with a total cryptocurrency market cap of $2,424 billion. Aluz is ready for the cryptocurrency market's summer surge. Recall that we are waiting for Bitcoin between 74 and 92,000. It will happen quickly and brutally. No, that is not the bull run. That isn't the blow-off. Parabolic greatness doesn't end at the top, because this is setting us up for the upcoming year at that point. For everyone engaged, we must continue to grow every single day. You already know who the scumbags behind the Phoenix Fire fraud are. Who was in charge? Among them is Showtime. He is embroiled in a legal dispute with Zeta, another rug he was involved in. I misspell Phoenix in capital letters. I felt compelled to share this, so if the Phoenix fraud affected you, Ed the Zeta scam, you should go look over my feed or contact Home Sherlock. I'll be tweeting about it again today and should include the necessary YouTube comments. To sign up for the Telegram group, as Holmes is scheduled to appear in court in 2 days due to a class action lawsuit that is now pending. Opposing Showtime and his attorney. Showtime isn't gonna show up. We have proof, we have all of their wallets. He is not going to appear, his attorneys will. This guy is going to jail, and I have a hunch that he will turn on everyone else. People with no knowledge of blockchain technology should learn how to link and unlink objects. Everything has a backstory. That, despite your perception, you're not smooth people. We have the names and wallets of everyone who had anything to do with your boy. Okay, so how about Jordan Harry? There are other names there that you will be able to hear some XRP influences on. We have also already discussed one of them. Yes, he is the largest part of the malbearable bull. I don't feel bad about calling him out because he was the mastermind behind everything. I even had a DMS from Showtime after he informed me of this. They attempted to drag me into it, but I declined. No, this is a hoax. I don't think so. How did they act? They conned you. Come on, people, wake up right here. Carolina Keith announced this, Solana, ETF, and the awful enormous uptrend repeatedly hammering away at the door of the all-time high, with 1.5 years remaining in the cycle. You've heard what folks have to say. People, the cycle is over. There are still 1.5 years left in this cycle, so it's not according to Keith. The charts are telling us we have a year and a half. Here is the chart. This is the only Ethereum. You have until summer 2025 to pay attention. Chart as K stated. You are aware that Bitcoin is the king, it eats first. Ethereum is the diva, no nonsense. Your alts run, Ethereum runs, and Bitcoin runs. Solana is still an altcoin even though it doesn't belong in that class. There will be a time for Bitcoin, which is scheduled for December, can look at a Bitcoin chart and determine whether we begin to lose power. It's not time if we maintain our dominance. That's how easy this is for adults, Corey. Jay shared this and tagged me, asking, what are your thoughts on this? This article about the man was published. Tony Sano has never heard him discuss how the price of XRP is going to violently spike by 60%. We'll talk more about this throughout the live broadcast. The highest amount of resistance is 75 cents. Location of XRP. You believe that when we come close to an all-time high, there will be a war. Wait till XRP reaches 75. The 75 cents doesn't get broken, and we're not going anywhere. The conflict will persist, but when it breaks, people, because that expands the range for the dollar amounts we can employ, we're in good shape. It's not necessary to discuss how XRP is worth pennies. No longer have to discuss XRP being dollars. The more the cryptocurrency increases in value, the higher the evaluation you receive. As the token moves more quickly, we're thinking, oh my God, XRP is up 20%, and we move, how could it go from 63 cents to about 64.2? We understand that XRP is a bad investment. Shift 130 is what we're aiming for on a 30% move. We are just breaking that dollar. On a 100% move, we are looking at $2 as opposed to a piece of 50 cents. People, it will happen quickly. Michael. Release this. 2 unidentified wallets have you should transfer the more than 22 million XRP, roughly 40 to 45 million XRP, or 45.6 million to be exact, or 27.1 million US dollars, to an unidentified wallet after they deleted it from the original location. You want XRP to be removed from the exchange, you see? If things had gone the other way, XRP would have gone from an unknown wallet to the exchange. No one does that. It's normally what happens when the price of XRP rises and we observe a large amount pouring in from a conversation for a time, and they dump it. This upward trend is really bullish. When will we obtain this? Bitcoin may strengthen its position if it were to be utilized as a U.S. reserve to sign legislation considerably improving the U.S. debt situation of the dollar by guaranteeing that stable coins support the preservation of their hedonic status over time. I'll take this probably on CNBC's Power Lunch. XRPs kept a steady zone above the 59 support zone, established a base at 60 cents, discussed 60 cents as the magnet, and made a clear move over it. We are currently aiming to test the 50% FIB retracement at 632, or 63, and 2. That is the region we are searching for, and we are slightly above it. If that declines, we might see the price point reach 646, which would be a higher high for us and place us over the 66-cent region, another crucial area that would send us to 67 cents. He is stating that the key support is at 59, so those are your short-term moves. 60 and 62 are the 2 main resistance levels, and we are currently above both of them. Hourly, let's observe the outcome. Check to see how near it would be. It would be good if there was a slight Bitcoin push in this area to assist push the market higher. However, when we look at the U.S. government, a lot of Bitcoin is on the move. People, it's noteworthy to note that the U.S. government released this statement following Trump's remarks at the Bitcoin conference and promised to ensure that the U.S. government is selling Bitcoin no longer. It's almost as if this is a slap in the face to him, don't you think? Are they 100% coordinated? Preparing to discard it? Not in my opinion. Honestly, I'm not sure whether they will, but it will definitely be snapped up quickly. There will be some downward pressure, for sure, and some crazy ass. I don't think they do, but if they do, get ready, because Bitcoin is the Black Swan event. Wicks down, I mean it only makes sense for them to do this because XRP's pumping by itself and running this whole damn market.